Today is my summer Friday and it's 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to tag you along how my day unfolds. I actually have no plans. It's most likely gardening and cooking and some random stuff. So we get 6 summer Fridays off. Half day every other Friday from Memorial Day through Labor Day, but then when it gets busy, it's actually like, you can't really sign off on time. Instead of the like 6 half days, I'm taking the 3 like full days off, full summer Fridays off, and today is the first summer Friday, and then I'm going to take the other 2 next month. First, let's prepare breakfast. Go to the garden to harvest more tomatoes. Oh, it's hot today. There's tomatoes here. It's gold medal. Look at the color. Beautiful. This one too, look. Super red. I'm saving some for tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to have burrata and tomatoes too. So the small ones I'm going to use tomorrow. This is lemon blush, and then these ones are like yellow pear tomatoes. And then we have like orange. This orange bell pepper here too. I'm going to do another garden tour soon. Perfect for shakshuka. These are the tomatoes for our shakshuka. Hello. Maybe it's about to lay eggs. Look at this beautiful swallow butterfly. Doesn't even move. Hello, butterfly. Hello. No, it's about to move. We got closer. Oh wow! See? Hello. Are you okay? Oh, there you go. So cute. I'm just slicing this like onion. And then I'm going to slice garlic and then the tomatoes. Oh, this one makes me cry. I'll saute this like onion while I slice the tomatoes. And I'm adding garlic. Let's slice these tomatoes. Look at this. I love this one. I love the color. Just sort of roughly like chopping them, so they cook faster. I'll probably put on the same pan or tray. I love shakshuka. This one, look at the pattern on the, oh my gosh, look at the inside. It's beautiful. Oh, I should have made this into like a salad or something. I'll try. Not like here. Oh, so good job. Look at the grapes from here. Beautiful. There are the chopped tomatoes. Let's add this here. The tomatoes are cooking. I'm adding a little bit of this harissa, and just a little bit so Josh can still eat this dish. Just a little bit of harissa. There you go. I'm adding the eggs. And I'm going to pick this basil to add on to garnish. I'm just adding this feta cheese. Put the cheese on top. And just thrown basil from the garden. So here you go. This is our shakshuka. I'm taking a walk. Look at our bougainvillea, very pretty. And then the lantana. We have this hibiscus too. Beautiful. Beautiful lantana. This is our lantana in the front yard. Look at this, very pretty.
Camera recording.
Let's go back outside for a little bit. It's nice to listen to the birds. Now let's harvest calamansi and chili. The tomato there, chili leaves, and then the chilies, and then now calamansi. I like bitter melon or ampalaya on the monggo. So I'm adding one. So I'm adding this here. And then, so this is the mung beans. It's cooked already. And then I'm going to use this one. This is like Filipino seasoning. And then the chili that I harvested from the garden. I want to show you what I made 3 weeks ago. This is fermented fish, or bagoong, or ginamos, or fermented like little anchovies. Let's prepare this bagoong or ginamos. Smells like ginamos. Homemade ginamos. Now my mouth is watering. And then let's put some of the seed. You can put chili too if you like it like spicy. I'm adding shrimp here. The chili leaves from the garden. Some mint for our iced tea. Orange mint. These are orange mint. The varieties orange mint. Let's pick this like cosmos. I think we should have enough to put on our vase. Blue flowers too. And then what else? The purple ones. This one. Here are the flowers that I picked. Look at how gorgeous. Our orange trumpets. Very pretty too. Lunchtime. We have mung beans with shrimp, bitter melon, chili from the garden, chili leaves from the garden, chili too, and then the broiled eggplant with fermented little anchovies, and then rice and iced tea with mint from the garden, and the gorgeous flowers from the garden. Josh has a piano class today, so I'm harvesting these peaches for his piano teacher before they ripen at the same time. They tend to. And here's my peach harvest. These are red Baron peaches. Beautiful. Look at our lantana. So very pretty. We are going to the piano class, and here are the peaches.
We are going to my swimming class.
Yes. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready for your swim class? What are you now?
I'm gliding.
You're excited. Awesome job. We are walking to Anarbagh. It's an Indian restaurant here in Encino. We're here at Anarbagh.
Do you remember
Yum yum.
what beer I had that
What's this one?
Kingfisher?
Kingfisher, yeah. This is Kingfisher. This is mint. Is that tamarind? Tamarind.
Yes.
And then this is like carrots and something else. On this like papadum. This is vegetable samosa.
Thank It's good.
Brown bread.
You can.
The fish curry. And paneer.